the current status of the project. The possession will be in 2021 and is going as per schedule. Let us have a walkthrough of 3 BHK in Myhna Maple. This is the entrance, the living. You can see the tiles. It's all 3 by 3 big size tiles. And that is a bedroom on the right. Even in the bedroom it's all 3 by 3. Most of the builders give you only 2 by 2 tiles. And this is the restroom. High quality sink, tiles. This is your common bath. This is the fire, your dining space, and the kitchen. Kitchen, there is a this is your second bedroom. And this is your master bedroom. Master bedroom tiles, restroom. And a balcony.